This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Larry Maynard. Welcome to spacious, low-maintenance townhome living. Enjoy the soaring headspace of the living room and open concept, updated kitchen. Amenities include built-in shelves, plantation shutters, carpet-free flooring, and an inviting sunroom. The main level bedroom suite has a separate shower and bath with a large walk-in closet. Or, if preferred, use the bedroom bath available upstairs. Second-level rooms include an open loft area and third bedroom. Even your vehicle is pampered in a garage with custom storage racks and an epoxy-coated floor. Come see luxury living at its best. For more information, review the details below or contact Larry Maynard at 865-966-1111.